I can build a detailed due diligence report on Merck & Co. MRK, covering several of your requested areas. However, the search results do not contain sufficient data for a complete analysis of technical charts, corporate governance details, supply chain risks, or specific tax practices. To help you get started, here is a comprehensive report constructed from the available data. Company overview. Business model and position. Merck & Co. is an American multinational pharmaceutical company, ranked as the fourth largest biomedical company globally by revenue. It operates through human health pharmaceutical and animal health segments. The company is known globally as MSD outside of the United States and Canada. Leadership. The company is led by Chairman and CEO Robert M. Davis and CFO Caroline Litchfield. Historical note. Merck & Co. is a distinct entity from the German company Merck Group, Merck KGaA, with a shared history ending in 1917 when the U.S. assets were nationalized and later repurchased. Financial health and valuation, data as of early Q3 2025. The tables below summarize Merck's key financial and valuation metrics. Financial data is for the trailing 12 months, TTM, unless marked as most recent quarter, MRQ. Financial metric value revenue, TTM, 63.62B, net income, TTM, 1641B, profit margin, TTM, 25.79%, operating cash flow, TTM, 18.53B, total debt, MRQ, 35.4B, debt equity, MRQ, 72.16%, current ratio, MRQ, 1.42, valuation metric value, market cap, 223.58B, trailing PE, 13.79, forward, PE, 9.13, PG ratio, 5YR expected, 0.80, price to sales, TTM, 3.56, price at book, MRQ, 4.56, enterprise value, EBITDA, 10.00, growth potential and product pipeline. Merck is actively working to diversify its revenue sources ahead of the eventual loss of exclusivity for its top-selling drug, Keytruda. Current growth drivers. Keytruda. Sales grew 9% in Q2 2025 to $8.0 billion, driven by demand in metastatic and earlier stage cancers. Winrevair, new pulmonary arterial hypertension treatment showing strong launch momentum, with Q2 2025 sales of $336 million. Animal health. Sales grew 11% in Q2 2025 to $1.6 billion. Pipeline and recent launches. The company has over 20 new and potential growth drivers. Key recent approvals and pipeline candidates include Capvaxive influenza, newly approved vaccine for the prevention of RSV in infants. Inalcetide, an oral PCSK9 inhibitor for hyperlipidemia with positive Phase 3 results. Acquisition of Verona Pharma brings Ohtuvayre, a first-in-class COPD treatment, expected to close in Q4 2025. Risk factors. Product concentration. A significant portion of revenue relies on Keytruda, 46% in 2024. The future loss of exclusivity for this drug is a major focus for the company and a key risk for investors. Market-specific challenges. The company faces headwinds in certain markets, notably a 55% decline in Gardasil sales in China in Q2 2025. General industry risks. The pharmaceutical industry is subject to regulatory changes, potential tariffs, and intense competition. Dividends and shareholder returns. Dividend. Merck offers a forward annual dividend yield of 3.62%, with a payout ratio of 49.31%. The company has a strong history of maintaining dividends, with payments for 55 consecutive years. Share buybacks. The company allocated $1.3 billion to share repurchases in the second quarter of 2025. ESG, or sustainability. Merck integrates sustainability into its core business strategy, focusing on 4 key areas. Access to health. In 2024, its products reached 92% of the world's countries. Environmental sustainability. The company is committed to sourcing 100% of its purchased electricity from renewable energy by 2025 as part of its journey to net zero. Employees and ethics. In 2024, employees dedicated over 3 million hours to learning, and more than 99% of employees completed ethics training. Areas requiring further research. The search results lack specific data for a complete analysis on the following topics. You can find this information through SEC filings, 10K, 10Q. for detailed financial statements, corporate governance, executive compensation, and segment reporting. Financial data platforms, Bloomberg, Reuters. For technical analysis, insider and institutional transaction data, analyst price targets, and MSCI ESG scores. Specialized ESG and news sites. For deeper insights into labor practices, supply chain vulnerabilities, and ongoing litigation. I hope this report provides a solid foundation for your analysis of Merck & Co. If you would like a deeper dive into any specific area, such as its recent acquisitions or a more detailed look at its drug pipeline, please let me know.